this. Welcome to another Kleschka vlog, everybody. The softball crew and I are going to Europe. I am so excited. Specifically, we're going to Paris first. We're going to spend a couple days there. It's going to be amazing. We are also split up into 2 flights. Going on the flight with me, which is today, is Shop, Bobby, Benny, and his family. Fireball, Sweater, his girlfriend Chartreuse, as we call her, Sierra, Red Shorts, and am I forgetting Andy? I think I got everybody. First, before we even go to the airport, I gotta tame this wild beast because you gotta look fresh for Europe. You gotta look fresh, okay? So let's go get this haircut by Rick. You guys have met him before. He's gonna do a great job. Guess who forgot their camera at home? But anyways, Rick always does a great job. Yes, this haircut looks great for Europe. I'm ready. Got my bag all packed up, ready to go. And my other bag too, because this one's just easier to carry around. Now the next step is waiting for everybody that's going with me to the airport to arrive. That would be Sweater, his girlfriend Cheyenne, Sierra, and Red Shorts. We are riding together to the airport, which will take us to Paris. I'm so excited. By the way, it is also Cheyenne's birthday, so I'll wish her a happy birthday, and you guys should wish her a happy birthday too in the comments. And then mid-flight, when it turns over to the next day, it is Red Shorts' birthday. So if you want to wish him a happy birthday, in the comments. Yeah, happy birthday.
Sweater. I'm never ever camera ready.
Well, you gotta be camera ready right now. Happy birthday, Cheyenne.
Thanks.
How do you feel about going to Europe?
I'm super excited.
Me
This
too.
is gonna be like the best experience of our lives.
It better be, Cheyenne.
So far.
I'm pumped.
Yeah, and you just got back from being across the world.
Yeah.
So you ready to do it all again?
Oh yeah.
Somebody's tired. Can't even sit up in his own seat. Missed filming the letters, so Sweater's doing it. Here. Do the A.
To the A on
Oh.
the X.
Oh my God, LAX.
Are we here?
Yeah. We're at the airport, dude. And do that. But we still got like
A few hours.
Yeah, a while. We made it to the airport. We're checking in right now. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Avengers Endgame.
Is Hello Kitty excited?
No.
No?
He doesn't like Europe.
Sierra, you excited? What's the most exciting thing that you want to do while we're there?
Avengers Endgame.
Me too. Even though we could do that back home, I don't know why I'm still super psyched for it. What about you?
The Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower? Psst, sir.
Yes?
What are you most excited for?
Probably Disneyland.
Disneyland? Miss?
Disneyland.
Alright, so it's a mixed bag. Steal that dog for me.
No, it's a bag full of oranges.
Wait, where are you going? Aw. Why is he leaving?
They don't like oranges.
We're going to TSA right now. Here's one of my seatmates. His name is Sweater.
Your what?
Your seatmate, or my seatmate.
Seatmate.
And my other seatmate is over there, his girlfriend, Chartreuse.
Like we were sailing.
Yeah,
to...
we are sailing to Paris via plane. You look like that bird.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. I remember when I painted one of those when I was 5.
5.
Yeah.
That's pretty incredible.
I mean, it's just what? It's just a bunch of marks.
Bunch of marks. I don't know what that is, honestly.
You think they're gonna let you in?
Yeah. No.
Out of all the stuff you've done? I doubt it.
I brought 3 PSPs.
Did you bring a Nintendo 64? Pokemon Stadium?
Part 2. Yeah.
Nah, the first one.
Is there really a part 2? I just did.
Yes, there is a part 2. What's that?
This is my vlog camera.
Whoa. Vlog
Who inspired you to get it?
Santa Claus.
No, tell the truth.
Okay.
Or else Santa Claus isn't bringing you gifts.
Fine. Michael Jackson.
Dude, there's blonde you over there.
He just looked at me.
I know, he heard you.
He heard you.
It's that brother telepathy, huh?
Our minds are connected.
We're through TSA. Nobody got stopped, thankfully. And no reason to. What's up, dude?
Your water bottle confiscated.
Oh, actually, yeah, they did take my water bottle away.
See, I told you you couldn't take your water bottle.
What's so harmful about water?
It's a liquid.
And?
And you can
Oh,
There's a bunch
sorry.
of memes. There's a bunch of memes about it on Reddit.
Oh, I would imagine.
Yeah.
blood in there.
Whoa, they have a whole mall in here. What the?
Oh my God, this place is huge. Natalie Portman. Natalie Portman was just up there. Oh, there she is again. International terminals are huge.
Yeah, it's like a mall in here.
My free birthday Starbucks.
Oh, your birthday's tomorrow.
My birthday's tomorrow.
Mid-flight. So we're gonna get everybody on the plane to pop bottles and be like, yeah, go Red Shorts. We're waiting in line at Starbucks right now because Cheyenne might get a free birthday drink.
I do.
But, oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Andy asked us to go eat before our flight, but he already left without us.
Well, that's really messed up, man.
Yeah. So.
We'll get food without him.
But to be fair,
So I saw a girl with blonde hair and I thought it was Chartreuse. So I go up to her, I'm like, oh, you're still waiting? She turns around, it wasn't Chartreuse. But she did talk to me very nicely, so.
oh, feel awkward?
Yeah, it was nice.
I love these things. They make you feel like Quicksilver, kinda.
Ready?
Let's go.
Ready?
Look at my cool new toy. Ooh, like my cool new toy. The claw.
Oh, it's like when you put pressure on it,
You're under my control now. Your name is now Jonathan, and every time you hear the word Sierra, you're going to do an Irish jig. Hey, where's Sierra? Gross. Disgusting.
I know. Why is there candy there?
I'm gonna go get food, you stay, and Sierra's in charge. If he talks out of line, then you just do whatever you want. Look, it's Sweater's brother.
Yeah, check him out in his new movie,
Yeah.
Avengers Endgame.
Oh, we're gonna see that for sure.
we are.
How come Chris didn't take you to the premiere?
He's kind of a dick.
Well.
So he didn't invite me for some reason.
Uh-huh.
You know.
That's nice.
Has he taken you to any of the premieres?
No, like I said, he's kind of a dick. So
Where's your fancy airport jacket? Like all them, they're matching.
See, the thing is,
Oh.
exactly.
Well, you can't use the same excuse. I know you didn't forget yours at home.
Okay, so I got hungry one day and I ate it.
Oh,
What am I supposed to do? Starve?
You have a gas station right next to your house.
I'm not gonna eat gas.
Fireball, are you ready to go to Paris?
I'm ready. Oui.
You've been practicing?
French is a very smooth language.
This guy's ready for everything. Escargot!
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Hey man, I really hope the panda's fresh at the airport.
like fresh out of the
zoo, hopefully.
zoo, all the gathering the chickens in the back.
Yeah, my favorite part is the thigh.
Thigh is good, but
Yeah.
I like the beak.
The breast?
I like the beak. That's
the,
my favorite.
The snout?
Yeah, you know, no, it's a beak. The
What?
chicken?
No, the panda.
Oh, I forgot about the panda.
We've been talking about a panda this whole time. What,
I didn't.
what do you
I
think
didn't
fresh
catch
out of the zoo, man?
I didn't catch on. This is awkward. I'm gonna leave.
Alright, bye. Cool, more room on the plane. Hello, Bobby. Are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to Paris.
Yes.
And then London.
Yes.
And then I'm going to Amsterdam, but you guys aren't.
Oh, that is
I'm
news to
gonna
me.
go to Italy and Jamaica
Jamaica.
and Australia.
Caribbean.
I'm gonna skip New Zealand and go to Antarctica as well and be real cold, so I'll be really happy when I come back to LA.
You might as well just do a world tour. So we lost track of time a little bit. We were eating. I've been hungry all day because I've been getting ready to come here. And we just realized our boarding time is now. So, but we're like in the middle group or the last group. So I think we'll be fine. Just got back to our gate. You said they didn't say anything? We rushed all the way over here because our boarding pass says 7. It's past 7 and they haven't even done anything. That's ridiculous. Look at the trend I've started here. You guys are just stealing my inspiration. Benny.
What's up, Spidey?
It's finally time.
Oh my God.
We're going to Europe.
We're going to Europe, man.
How excited are you?
Oh my God, I haven't slept. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to eat French fries.
Well, this flight should be easy for you then, if you haven't slept.
Yeah, well, I hope so.
Yeah.
I don't do too good with flights.
10.5 hours.
And a 5-year-old's with me, so.
That's true.
Yeah, that might be interesting.
All right, but once we finish this flight, it's gonna be all fun from there.
French fries.
Yes, let's go.
Look at
Did you leave your man right there? Is he just chilling on the window? Does he have his own seat?
No.
He doesn't?
Look at.
Oh, what the what?
We're playing.
Lumpy, don't hurt him. You're playing Bakugan.
We're playing some.
No, don't. What are you doing?
There's our Bakugans.
Ready
Whoa,
for this?
I'm ready.
No.
No, you did it wrong.
Backward.
Oh, it's backwards. Stupid.
Sorry. This way, Spider.
Yeah, watch. Let the pro show you how it's done. Boom. See?
And then Samuel broke this.
Oh yeah. Freaking Samuel.
Come on,
It
Samuel.
still works. Yeah,
What can you do? Whoa! Stop, drop, and roll, dude.
I got first try.
What is this?
Bakugan.
I don't know what this is.
You got-
Die.
Look, they got magnets. Watch.
Die.
No, look at this. Look at.
Die.
No, Andy, that isn't how it goes.
Sandy.
This is like this.
Stupid.
Stupid. Such a stupid.
No, it's the time.
Dude, listen to his rules.
No.
Listen.
Oh!
Andy! I told you, I got it.
You got. I got what you
7
got.
plus 7? 14.
I got what you got, but one more.
What's 7 plus 7? If it's
8.
It's 8?
You're right. High five.
You're gonna He's gonna grow up thinking it's 8 forever. And don't do it again. No.
You try that.
Then you stick another one. Like this, Andy.
And then you stick another one, I bet.
No way.
And then after that, another one.
And then the hands.
And then you stick. You can stick to the wall.
Oh, I
Stick to the
couldn't.
wall. Can you say oui?
Oui.
Can you say bonjour?
Bonjour.
Oh wow, that was actually pretty
Can you
good.
say je m'appelle Lumpy?
Je m'appelle Lumpy.
Je m'appelle Lumpy. Je m'appelle Fro, the sticky guy.
Go man, go.
I don't know how to do that. I get one on one side.
Oh, the running one. What are the other ones? Sweater.
I can't dance.
So it just results to the work. He's like, what? What's up? So alcohol's free on the plane. Grab a beer with me, yeah? Okay. We're about to get on the plane, Andy. So excited.
We're getting on a plane?
We're getting on a
I
plane.
thought this was a boat ride.
No.
We're not at Disneyland Paris?
No, almost. 10.5 hours. Seating situation, Cheyenne, sweater. What's up, Benny? What's up? Andy right here. Oh, Fireball's doing his vlog. He's getting everybody right here. Shop, come to my vlog. Come over here.
Hey,
what's up?
Last time I was on a plane, the seats were made of cloth.
Hello, you two. Back there. Hey, Andy. You nervous? What? Oh. That's scary.
Am I nervous? No. We're only defying the laws of God and physics.
How'd you break your neck?
I didn't, I'm sleeping. I'm super comfortable in it. See, look, I can sleep.
Cheers, shop. Cheers, buddy. All right. Cheers. Happy birthday. 30 minutes, dude. Andy, the Eiffel Tower. Such amazing technology.
Shrink wrapping a bag.
Oh, yeah. Shrink wrapping. Can we shrink wrap you? I don't think that's gonna fit. I feel really bad for this guy. Okay, I'm the first one through the passport check. Andy's next. In fact, he's coming in right now. Welcome
French
to
now. French collator.
French collator. French hallway. Let's get on the French collator.
Should we wait for people first?
It's up to you,
And I'll
man.
be on the French collator together.
French collator with your friends.
French collated up.
It's a cool little escalator, huh, Shop?
Very cool.
How high up are we? Let's see. Well, it's about 2 stories, 1 story. We just made it up to one of the places we're staying at. There's Andy.
I think Notre Dame's over there.
Notre Dame? Well, you know what's right there? The Eiffel Tower. Beautiful view. Yes.
We decided not to go Paris. We rerouted. We went to Seattle. Space Needle's right there. Probably gonna go catch a Mariners game later. We're ready to go. Did you bring your glove?
Yeah, look at the big pointy Eiffel Tower.
Good, huh?
You been to Paris?
Once.
Yes.
Yes, it's amazing they let me back in, but
After what you
can't go to
did, I
London,
can't
but-
believe it.
still can't go to London, but they finally let me back in.
Well,
I pulled,
that's good.
Robert pulled some strings with the French government. And,
Great. Well, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad they let you back in.
Yes.
Are they going to let you on the Eiffel Tower, though?
We'll see.
We'll see?
It'll be a
Okay.
surprise.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
What do you, whoa.
I wasn't born here. I thought he was throwing stuff at me. I know.
So, hey, he's just pretending to throw nothing. This is Shortsy's birthday surprise I got him. This is what I got him. This is about $20,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's not a lot for this many people.
I also don't know any of these people. You're welcome, Shortsy. I hope Shortsy enjoyed his gift. I think he joined them eventually. Yeah. So we're in a different place than Bobby and all them. And look what we got ahead of us. We got to take all our bags up this.
Best.
Where's mine? Oh, hey guys. Come on, let's do a house tour. Our living room with a bookshelf ladder, a couch made of leather, and some seats. Now, let's go this way. Dining room table. The kitchen, bar, fridge, stove, and sweater in the bathroom. Let's go upstairs. This is my area right here. I got 2 beds for no reason at all. By the way, this is in my room too. I have a glass floor. This is where Chartreuse and Sweater will be sleeping. That's our house just for tonight. We're only here for one night, then we're moving to another one, still in Paris. The Eiffel Tower's putting on a show. My goodness. That's all for us.
It's unbelievable. It's all just for us.
Yes. Okay, that's it for day 1 in Paris. Good night, guys. All right, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.